Aloha Keto Ohana, this is Tioni from Hawaiian Keto Girl, bringing you another keto-friendly, Hawaii-inspired recipe, and today we will be making keto chicken katsu. Alright guys, so today's recipe is a little different. It's kind of like a remix of the salmon katsu video that I shared with you earlier. This is a chicken katsu version. Now you can use both breadings that I shared in the salmon katsu video as well as this one for any type of protein. However, the difference is that this is half a cup of almond flour and 1.5 cups of chicharron or pork skin. I don't know what else. I don't know what the other name is. Pork rinds. There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm from Hawaii, as you can tell. We call it chicharron here. Anyways, so what I'm going to do here is I do have my olive oil heating up. I have 3 eggs here. Now you want to start with as many eggs as you want. I just put 3 because I don't want to run out. That might be a little bit too much, or honestly, looking at this chicken, it might be just enough. And I'm going to salt and pepper my chicken to taste, and I will do that right now. So now we're gonna start dipping. We're gonna go in to our egg wash here. And I should mention also that you want to tenderize your chicken before you do this so that you can flatten it and it can cook evenly. So that's what I did prior to filming this video here. Okay. The pork rinds that I used is straight from the chip bag. I just used original flavor, and all I did was just crush them up. I crushed them using my hand in a Ziploc bag, but that didn't work out too well. So what I found that works for me is running it through a blender really quick, and from there it works out. So I'm just gonna do 3 at a time because my pan is really small. All right guys, this is the brand of pork rinds that I used. And all I did was I used my little blender here, my Fabware blender. And I put it in the blender here and I just got it down to this size. Alright guys, I just flipped it over and the breading looks really great. Look at that. Alright guys, my first batch is done. Look at that breading. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Alright guys, I've got my second batch going on. So just an update. I am actually prepping dinner for tomorrow as well. So I accidentally pulled out too much chicken for this recipe. So this is actually for my dinner tomorrow. So just to be clear, the recipe that I gave you will cover 6 fillets of chicken thighs. If you need more, then just double it up. All right, guys, here's my batch of chicken katsu. I just want to run the knife over it so you can hear the crispiness. You hear that? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I am plating this up for some photos, and I just wanted to share with you how I make my DIY Katsu sauce. I don't have all the makings to do a traditional Katsu sauce, but I'm just doing a spicy mayo. So I just have a little bit of mayonnaise and some sriracha. I'm gonna give it a stir, and that is gonna be my dipping sauce for my katsu tonight. Just give this a stir. Now you can add as much sriracha as you want if you like things more on the spicy side. All right, you guys, here's the end result of my plating. I'm serving it with a side of cucumbers and tomatoes. I just used olive oil and some lemon juice, salt and pepper, and some green onions for my cucumber salad. And this is what it's looking like. It looks so delicious. Gonna take some photos and eat. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Gonna get this corner piece here, right here. Dipping it. Here we go. Very good. I'm gonna do another piece. The pork rinds are not overpowering. Like I mentioned in my salmon katsu video, I don't typically like frying with pork rinds, but mixing it with a little bit of almond flour definitely offsets the taste for me. So here we go. Wow, this is good.
I just walked up with a new video because it sounds all crunchy and nice.
It is crunchy. You want to try one?
No, not yet.
He's still fasting. My fast actually broke 45 minutes ago, but it's been a day. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. As always, take care and aloha. If you're not following me on social media, please do at Hawaiian Keto Girl on Instagram and Facebook. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hey guys, remix on my plating. Dax gave me a super awesome idea. He is going to eat his chicken katsu with keto curry ketchup by We Do Keto. This is available at Ni'i Superette in Waipahu. And I'm gonna do a taste test for you, but that was genius. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But anyways, here we go. I'm gonna give you a taste test. Okay, back again. So let's do a taste test with the keto curry ketchup. Here it is. So good. Wow, this tastes like a katsu sauce. Like it pairs really well. Good job, babe, on that suggestion.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, you guys check out Ni'i Superette. They have this We Do Keto curry ketchup and a bunch of other awesome products. All right.
Hours? Sure. So our store hours are pretty broad. From Monday through Saturday, we're open at 7 a.m., closing at 7 p.m. And on Sunday, you're welcome to come stop by at 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Nice, awesome.
All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please be sure to check out my website, hawaiianketogirl.com, to find more recipes. And don't forget to connect with me on social media, where I post on more of a daily schedule at Hawaiian Keto Girl on Facebook and Instagram. As always, take care and aloha. I'll see you in the next video.